What? Okay, no, 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 no. I can't do this. I can't do this, bro. I can't. Ooh, this was not a good idea to do this 3 in the morning. Oh my god. Hello, and today we're gonna be watching this mini ESA scenario keep silent. So it's like 3 in the morning. I'm tired of shit. Hopefully this is not too scary. Also here's the disclaimer because I'm pretty sure valid ESA tones like trigger some type of thing. I don't fucking know, but uh um terrified, dude. It's basically 3 in the morning, dude. I want to watch this, but here we go. I hate the sound of the ESA too.
You are currently listening to the Sandusky Local Weather Report. Current time is 12:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is partly cloudy and
Okay, so far it looks really normal, dude. I keep checking behind me, dude. Oh my god, I'm scared as shit right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
medium showers are expected in approximately 1 hour. Tomorrow,
Oh, I'm turning this down, I'm turning this down, I'm turning this down, I'm turning this down. I'm scared as shit.
it will be sunny.
Keep it,
Temperatures
I'm taking one, I'm taking,
no rain expected.
I'm only wearing one
There
AirPod,
is a
dude.
news
Oh my
report
god.
from the National Weather Service. A meteorological event is now
Huh?
occurring. This event was not predicted to happen
Huh?
before. This meteorological event consists of death.
Ooh, yep. Here it comes. Oh my god, dude, I fucking hate that noise. Keep checking behind me, oh my god.
This is a local weather alert.
God. Okay, okay, so it's not that one creepy voice. It's just like a text to speech bot.
The National Weather Service. There is a previously unexpected meteorological event occurring at the
You know what this kind of reminds me of? Is like Local 58, where like if you looked at the moon, you like something would happen to you.
moment. It is advised to not observe this event with the naked eye, as multiple people who have witnessed it have experienced strange feelings in their body, feelings
That's
such
not
as
good.
nausea, migraines, difficulty breathing, paranoia, feeling of impending doom, inability to process thoughts, etc. At the moment, it is advised to not look at this event, and therefore the sky. Scientists are attempting to figure out what this event is, and why it is causing these effects on people. Children seem to be less affected by this event than adults are.
Yeah, this is really reminding me of Local 58.
It is still recommended that you do not let children observe it.
Look, I'm
The time
tripping,
of
but I swear I saw a
Many
flash.
people are connecting this to the old folklore of the Ohio/Great Lakes region of the United States. Apparently, every few hundred years, there is a night with an unexplainable event taking place in the sky. There would also be strange, paranormal creatures wandering the area during the night time. Keep in mind, these are old rumors. They have absolutely no factual basis. These rumors were most likely passed down through many generations of
So if it's a rumor, why is this like an actual event happening now?
Native Americans, and have lived on as essentially ghost stories. Once again, it is advised for all citizens to avoid observing this event. It is not deadly as of now, but you should take the necessary precautions to avoid any potentially dangerous situations, especially if you suffer from asthma or struggle with breathing more than usual.
What happened? Why does it sound different? I don't like how it sounds different. That's not good. Wait, broadcast will be kept quiet for safety. What? What the hell? They keep looking behind me. Oh my god. Actually, so freaked out right now. Research is vital for your safety. Now look at the meteorological event. Wait, so if you look at the thing, just like turn into a monster that like attacks people if they make noise, or doors and windows. Dude, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Cover all windows with blinds. Barricade all entrances to your home. Turn off all electronic devices. Turn off all lights. Stay in an enclosed room with no. Stay all as quiet and still as possible. Wear a blindfold and close your eyes. Dude, God. Cover your ears or wear. Fucking terrified. Do not frighten children. What is. No unusual light noise. They answer the door for anyone. They check behind me. Oh my god. If reality begins to. What? Reality begins to change, not question it. What is this, an SCP? So I'll be over soon. Remain calm. I'm not calm right now. I'm terrified. I'm shaking. Literally. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, wait. Oh my god, hold on. Dude, why did my model break? Okay, there we go. Oh my god, dude. My model like stepped. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Why is this not working? Okay, I think we're good. I'm panicking. Actively panicking right now. Okay, vigilant. Why does it keep breaking? That, what? Okay, no, 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 no. I can't do this. I, I can't do this, bro. I can't. Ooh, this was not a good idea to do this 3 in the morning. Oh my god. As an example, Maddie's treading upon it. Been this way forever. Not your business. Look away. Look away, look away. Dude, I can't. Oh my god. There's no That's a fucking lie. Such a lie. Not going outside. I am good. I know I'm Brit. No, I don't wanna. No, I'm good. Ah, no, I do not want to walk into the light. No. Dude, dude, oh my god. It keeps doing that. No, I'm good. Nope. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. That was the longest 6 minutes of my life, dude. Dude, why is it? Okay, hold on. Okay, I think it's doing that because it's very dark in my room. It's not tracking properly, but anyways, oh my fucking god. I'm gonna look this way because it seems to work when I look this way. Okay, so I guess I'm just not moving, but hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'm glad to be fucking done with this video. Bye bye.